Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what we have with us is the Motorola Moto One Power. Now, as you can see, it says Android One, which means this is going to be on the Android One program, where Moto phones have usually had stock Android UI, which has been nice. And with the power of, the ability to have the box, before we actually show it to you on camera, we actually opened the box, switched it on, and put on this very nice case that you get in. And it's quite rubbery, which makes the buttons slightly clicky, slightly harder to press, but that's actually all right. And if we remove the cover and show it to you, you can have it that very Redmi looking, if we do say so ourselves, with the Moto dimple at the back, which is not the fingerprint sensor, or is it? Well, we will tell you in a bit. Of course, having the most useless invention right on top is the notch, but let's get to the phone in a bit. More stuff, reading material that you never read, and charger and a SIM tray remover, no headphones, which is a bummer. So there is that. Now we can quickly run you through some of the specs of the phone. It has a 6.2-inch full HD display, which is nice. It has Android One running out of the box, the Snapdragon 636 processor, which we have seen on other smartphones like the Note 5 Pro, Zenfone Max Pro M1, and the Nokia 6.1 Plus. It has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, expandable via a microSD card up to 256 GB, 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear camera, 12 megapixel selfie camera, and 5000 mAh battery, which is kind of like whopping, which is of course chargeable via the 15-watt turbo power charger. So there you have it, guys. We thought we'd just unbox this device and overlay this unboxing with all the nice pretty shots that we can of this phone, just to show you what it looks like. You can leave us questions about the phone in the comment section below, and we will do our best to answer them in our review. This was our first look at the device. You can let us know what you thought of this video in the comment section below. If you like it, you will be saving one soul at Digit, and you can subscribe to our channel. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.